Unveiling Secrets. The story behind Cats Out of the Bag. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say, but they play a big part in everyday English. Our star idiom for this video is "cats out of the bag." Ever wondered what this peculiar phrase means and where it comes from? Let's unravel the mystery together. When we say, "the cat's out of the bag," we're not talking about a real cat escaping its confinement. Instead, this idiom means that a secret has been revealed. It's often used when information that was supposed to be hidden is accidentally or purposefully disclosed. Imagine you've been planning a surprise party for a friend, but someone spills the details before the big day. In this case, you might say, "Well, the cat's out of the bag now." The history of "the cat's out of the bag" is a bit murky, with several theories floating around. One popular but debunked theory suggests it comes from medieval markets where dishonest vendors would sell pigs in a bag. Instead of a pig, they'd sneak in a cat, and if the cat jumped out, the deceit was revealed. While this story is colorful, there's little historical evidence to support it. However, it illustrates how idioms often develop from societal practices and stories, becoming embedded in language over time. Using idioms like "the cat's out of the bag" can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples of how to weave this idiom into conversation. Revealing a surprise. I was going to keep it a surprise, but since the cat's out of the bag. Yes, we're moving to New York. Acknowledging leaked information. The media found out about our new product launch ahead of time. The cat's out of the bag now, so let's go ahead with the announcement. Expressing resignation to a secret being known. I guess the cat's out of the bag about my birthday party, so there's no point pretending I don't know. And that's a wrap on "the cat's out of the bag." Idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate idioms into your conversations. They can be a fun way to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.